we'll guide you through how to create a stunning glow effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load the project you want to work on. Go to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. Once there, make sure your clip is selected in the timeline. You need to add a new node for the glow effect, so right-click on the node graph, usually located in the middle of the screen, and select Add Node. Then choose Add Serial Node. Now, with the new node selected, go to the OpenFX panel on the right side of the screen. In the search bar, type Glow to quickly find the glow effect. Drag and drop the glow effect onto the new node you just created. You'll notice an immediate change in your video as the glow effect is applied. To adjust the intensity and look of the glow, you can use the controls in the OpenFX inspector, which should be on the top right. Here you can tweak parameters like glow size, shine threshold, and spread to get the exact look you want. If the glow is too strong, you can reduce its intensity by adjusting the blend slider to mix it more subtly with the original image. For a more nuanced effect, try playing with the colorize settings to give your glow a specific hue. This can give your footage a unique and artistic look. Once you're happy with your settings, remember to save your project so you don't lose any changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a glow effect to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.